Hey everybody, I'm going to talk to you right now about Wednesday, October 21st. So we're going to go through the cargo carrier project looking at Wednesday, October 21st. You can see from the 135 calendar we've got work time for your presentation, and from our 246 calendar you have work time for your presentation. So on the Wednesday you're going to make sure you are doing your work. So we're going to click on to Wednesday. And their one assignment that you have is work time for your presentation. So I'm going to click there. Your view will look like this. You start a new attempt. And as you go in, by this time you should be working on your presentation. And so as your presentation is being developed, just kind of take a break and think about it. You've had 1 or 2 days to work on it so far. So how much have you gotten done? Which slide are you on? What's easy, what's difficult, what questions do you have, and then anything else that you can think of. So just kind of a quick check-in to see where you're at, how you're doing. After you answer those questions, make sure you click review and then finish to finish it up. All right, so again, Wednesday, you have had 1 to 2 days to work on your presentation so far. Take some time during this Wednesday. Don't just answer this question. Work on your presentation and then answer this question. So as always, talk with your teacher if you got questions.